So what is the message for independence? Be brave, be smart, be intellectual, right? Moreover, a good human being. So what is the slogan of Prime Minister saying for India for independence? Viksit Bharat. To develop India as a world nation where people live with happiness and richness, right? Thank you. Wish you all the best for the happy Independence Day.
So today we are celebrating
Independence Day.
78th Independence Day. Okay? So remember that we have to keep peace, justice, and be a responsible citizen. Right?
Yes.
Wish you a very happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Tricolor of India flutters atop with pride. Saffron, white and green, it holds the chakra form inside. The tricolor of India flutters atop with pride. Saffron, white and green, it holds the chakra form inside. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace, green for prosperity and the India of our dreams. Saffron stands for sacrifice, white a symbol of peace, green for prosperity and the India of our dreams. Chakra denotes growth and progress for one and all. The leader of nations of the world, our country stands tall. The chakra denotes growth and progress for one and all. The leader of nations of the world, our country stands tall. ये तिरंगा हमारा ऊंचा रहेगा. ये
सा कोई नहीं मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पा दिलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम अम्मा तुझे सलाम वंदे मातरम
आजा आजा जितने शामी गाने के टल्ले जजरी वाले नीले आसमाने के टल्ले आजा आजा जितने शामी गाने के टल्ले जजरी वाले नीले आसमाने के टल्ले
We must always put our nation first in our action, decision, and aspiration. This Independence Day is not just a celebration, it's a pledge to follow the path laid down by our freedom fighters. As we raise our flags high, let's remember the journey and sacrifice and some of the events. The conscious beginning of the independence struggle against the colonial tyranny of the British was the Revolt of 1857. On March 29, 1857 was the first major incident took place. In this war, Mangal Pandey was the first martyr. The rebellion began in Meerut and spread to Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow and other parts of India.
Divide and rule, seen as a mechanism throughout the history to maintain the imperial rule. During 1903, Lord Curzon demanded to divide Bengal. Against this unjust policy, the Indians started ditching British goods and began to use only Indian goods.
The Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, also known as the Massacre of Amritsar, was an incident that took place on 13th April 1919. That day, the British group fired on a large crowd of unarmed Indians who were assembling for a meeting in an open place. Several hundred people, including children and women, died and hundreds were injured.
And happy with the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Montagu Jump Fort, Rowlatt Act and Khilafat movement. Gandhiji launched the non-cooperation movement in 1921.
On 1928, 3rd February, a commission consisting of 7 Englishmen and its chairman, John Simon, arrived in India. As the commission did not include any Indian members, it was rejected by the English.
Simon, go back! Simon, go back!
On March 11, 1930, Mahatma Gandhi and his followers marched to the coastal town Dundee from Sabarmati. On 6th April, they violated the salt law and made salt. This marked the beginning of civil disobedience movement. As a result, Gandhiji and his followers were arrested.
Bharat Jodo Andolan, popularly known as Quit India Movement, was a countrywide act of civil disobedience. On April 18, 1942, Mahatma Gandhi launched the Quit India Movement at the Maharashtra meeting of AICC.
Tryst with Destiny. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. Now, the time has come when we shall redeem our pledge. According to the Indian Independence Act 1947, the British Viceroy, Lord Mountbatten, handed over the power to the first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru.
The day reminds us of the sacrifice made by our brave ancestors who fought for our freedom. We stand here enjoying the fruits of their struggle. Let's honor some of the great freedom fighters. The first Indian soldier who attacked British officers on March 29, 1857. British referred it as Sepoy Mutiny, but we call it as the First War of Indian Independence.
Mangal Pandey.
The Queen of Jhansi, one of the leading figure of revolt of 1857, the young queen who became an icon against the British Raj. Yes, our old-time heroine, Jhansi Ki Rani, Rani Lakshmibai.
The very courageous woman who led the revolt of 1857 from power. Yes, Begum Hasrat Mahal.
One of the most prominent and renowned freedom fighters of India was a socialist revolutionary who bravely fought for the independence of the country. Inqilab Zindabad, the slogan shouted by him, always be remembered. Yes, Bhagat Singh. An Indian nationalist whose patriotism towards India has left a mark in the hearts of many Indians. The founder of Azad Hind Fauj, Subhash Chandra Bose.
An Indian revolutionary freedom fighter who stood up against British atrocities. A true patriot and aggressive nationalist. Yes, Chandrasekhar Azad.
One of the extremist leaders who advocated Swaraj or self-rule. His slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Yes, it's Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
The senior leader of INC and also the founder of the Servants of India Society, the Diamond of India, Lala Lajpat Rai.
united the nation. The leader of Kheda and Bardoli Satyagraha, the first deputy prime minister of India. Yes, it's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. One of the major figures who have led the civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. Later became the first woman governor of India. Yes, Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India.
Famous jurist, social reformer, economist, prominent politician, led freedom struggle against social discrimination, father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The great soul of India, the pioneer of Indian independence movement. Yes, our Mahatma, our Bapu. One of the prominent leaders of INC, having attracted the country's intellectuals and youth into the mainstream of the movement, the successor of Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, our Chachaji, Jawaharlal Nehru.
Our country sleeps peacefully as the soldiers perform his duties. They are the guardian of the nation and its citizen at all the costs. Despite the hardships, they always fulfill their duties. Without remembering them, this day will be incomplete.
जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं।